Most sellers optimize their listings wrong. Not the title, not the bullets, not the images, the foundation before any of that. And here is the part that should frustrate you. You can't see it when it's broken. Amazon just quietly stops showing your product. No warning, no email, no flag. Your traffic just disappears. I have watched brands with great products, strong reviews, and real PPC budget just plateau. And it's almost always the same reason. The listing was never built right from the start. So today, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix that. 4 steps: keyword research, listing build, seller central setup, and validation. The part most sellers never do. We are doing all of it. Before we touch any tool, one thing you need to understand. Listing optimization has 2 sides. Side 1, SEO, getting Amazon to actually show your product. Side number 2, conversion, getting shoppers to click and buy. Amazon's algorithm has one job: make Amazon money. So it pushes products most likely to sell. And 2 things drive that: keyword relevancy and sales performance. You control the keywords. That's why this step decides everything. Alright, so here is a quick but important note. Don't bring Google keywords data into Amazon. Google is informational. People are researching. Amazon is transactional. People are ready to buy right now. Different platform, different intent, completely different keywords. Okay, so move to the step number 1, keyword research. Alright, so that tool I use is Cerebro by Helium 10. And here is the approach that separates smart sellers from everything else. Instead of guessing keywords, we reverse engineer competitors. For that, go to Amazon, search your main product keyword, look at the top 3 organic results, not the sponsored ad at the top, the actual highest ranking organic listings. So grab those 3 ASINs and paste them into Cerebro. Hit get keywords. Now you are looking at thousands keywords. Way too many. Let's cut it down. Alright, so apply this filter. Match type should be organic only. Select competitor rank at max 60, number of competitors minimum 2. What it does, you are now only seeing keywords where at least 2 of your top competitors rank inside the top 60 positions. These aren't guesses. These are validated buyer intent search terms with real purchase data behind them. After filtering, target around 200 to 300 keywords, save it. This is your master list. Alright, so rename it as master list. Now break the master list into 3 sub-lists. List 1, main keywords, where exact terms buyers search to find your products. Next, related keywords. Here you should put broader or alternative search terms. Third, misspelled keyword. Here you put common typos. Yes, these actually rank. And here is the bonus step most sellers completely skip: AI generated misspelling. So export your master list as a CSV, open it in Excel, go to ChatGPT, and interestingly, free version also works, and paste this exact prompt. Now what you have to do, just pause the screen and copy this prompt. Now download that CSV, import it into Helium 10 as your misspelled keywords folder. Done. 4 keyword list, clean, validate, ready to build from. Now step number 2, which is building the listing. Alright, again go to Helium 10, listing builder tools. This time we will use listing builder tool. You can start from scratch or paste a competitor's ASIN to pre-fill their copy as your starting point. Either works here. We usually start with a competitor reference, it saves time. Import your master list, keyword appears on the left, ranked by search volume. Your listing goes on the right. As you use a keyword, it automatically crosses off the list. That's your live progress tracker. Let's build. So first is title. Alright, you have to maintain some rules for a strong Amazon title. You have to put highest priority keywords, go closest to the start. Amazon weights early placement higher. Use full keyword phrases, not isolated words. Amazon rank phrases, not individual words. Stay under 200 characters. And you should put main keyword within the first 80 characters. Lastly, try to include size, material, and one key benefit on your title. Alright, so now bullet points. And here is the structure. You should put problem first. then how your product solves it. Write 500 to 700 characters max per bullet, and you should add minimum 5 bullets. Keep them tight. Shoppers on Amazon scan. They don't read. A long bloated bullet loses the sale before they finish the first line. Alright, next is keyword mapping, and here is how it works. Put primary keywords in your title and your first bullet. Add your long tail keywords and problem solving keywords to your remaining bullets and description plus backend, misspellings and synonyms. Add misspelling and synonyms in backend search terms field. Alright, now description, same logic, natural flow, keyword rich but never stuffed. Now, here is a pro tip that most people miss. Once your title, bullets and description are done, click Hide Used in Listing Builder. Every keyword still visible is unused. Copy them all, paste directly into your backend keywords field. You have 500 characters, use every single one. One repeat note here, you don't need to use a keyword more than once anywhere. One use anywhere in the listing gets you indexed. Backend is just for the overflow, everything that didn't fit naturally above. Step number 3. Open your Seller Central, go to Catalog, Add Products and then Blank Form. Now copy paste your listing builder field by field. Alright, so first is item name. Put your title here and then product description and then bullet points. Use bullet point minimum 5 but up to 10 is useful. Product details. Now generic keywords, your backend keywords. This is your backend keywords. Alright, here is the critical detail. Make sure all your attributes is selected in the view. If it's not selected, the backend keyword field won't appear at all. Alright, now save as draft. Handle the rest of your listing details separately. That's the full build. Now, the step most sellers completely skip and it's the most important one. Step number 4, validate. Let me be direct here. Publishing your listing is not the finish line. It's the starting line. Being indexed and actually ranking, those are two completely different things. Most sellers never check. They publish, run some ads and wonder why nothing's moving. So check index first. Alright, so open your Helium 10, go to index checker, enter your ASIN, upload your master list and hit run. Look at the traditional index column. No checkmark next to a keyword is equal to Amazon has not indexed you for that search term. You are completely invisible for that keyword. Doesn't matter how perfect your listing looks. If it's not indexed, it doesn't exist. Alright, so that's the full process. Keyword research, listing build, Seller Central setup, validate and track. 4 steps. Most sellers skip 2 of them and then blame their ads for bad results. Now, if you're managing multiple ASINs, launching new products regularly, or your existing listing just aren't ranking the way they should, this is exactly what we do at Ecom Clips. We have built an optimized listing for thousands of brands across Amazon, Walmart, and eBay. Keyword strategy, full listing build, indexed audits, the whole process, our SEO team handles it. And if you want to know exactly what your current listing is missing, email us at info@ecomclips.com. We'll do a free listing audit, real data, scientific fixes, no generic advice. Alright, so that's all for today. I hope this video helped you. If so, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.